Hello SakaFed, hi, I'm Roma and welcome to my kitchen. Today I will be making chicken in a creamy mushroom sauce. If you want to see how I make this recipe, keep watching. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode. Now let's get cooking. So these are all the ingredients we are going to need for our chicken in our creamy mushroom sauce. The exact amount will be in the description bar below. We have some chicken legs, some mushrooms, onion, cream of mushroom soup, some browning, chopped garlic, some chicken stock or chicken bouillon, 1 cube of Maggi and 1 pack of Sazon. Turn this on my stove and heat up my pan. I'm gonna just brown my chicken. So let's see, our pot is hot. I'm just gonna pour some oil because I want to brown my chicken before. So just let that warm up. I don't put too much, just a little bit. Okay, so let's brown our chicken. So we're just gonna put them down. And my chicken was marinating already in some Maggi seasoning, the liquid, and just a little bit of chicken stock. You want to brown it on both sides, and you can see it's starting to brown here, so just to give it a lot more color. Browning for me. So I'm just going to transfer it into my baking dish. Just going to use a little bit now. Put the onions in there. While that is cooking, and you can see my chicken, they're nice and brown. So that's gonna stay here until I'm ready for it. In the meantime, I'm gonna turn my oven on because everything's going in the oven after. So I'm gonna bake it at 425. So that's gonna heat up in the meantime. My onions are cooking. Then I'm gonna add my garlic. Now I will say that I am using the mushroom soup with no salt because a lot of my seasoning already have salt in it, so I picked the mushroom soup with no salt. So now I'm going to add some chicken broth, and I'm just going to put that in there, and I will add my mushrooms. This is going to add some color, so it's not so white looking. I'm going to put the Maggi in there. Put that in there. Okay, now you can see our sauce. That's nice, rich color. I'm just going to put a little bit now of my browning. So that's going to give it a richer color. Now I'm going to add the mushrooms, and that's the last thing. And as the mushroom cooks, it's going to give you some more broth. See, and then the mushrooms are gonna cook for a couple minutes, and then we'll add it to our chicken. Oh, and look at all that mushroom, and you can see it did make a little more gravy, so that's nice. Look at that. Oh, that's delicious. Okay, so now we're going to pour it on our chicken. So we're just going to spoon it over that. Our chicken. All the mushroom on top. Put all that sauce on it. Make sure it's saturated with all that delicious mushroom sauce. That is so good. Look at that. Now I'm just going to put it in the oven. I'm not going to cover it. I'm just going to bake it open. Just going to take it and just put it in. You see that? Look at that, how good that looks, huh? That is a delicious dinner. And now we're just going to leave that for about 40 minutes. And it should be done by then. So this chicken has been cooking for 45 minutes, so I think it should be all done now. I'm just gonna take it out. Oh yeah, look at that. That's ready. See, that's nice and brown. Look at that. Delicious sauce, look at that. Okay, let's taste this chicken first without anything. It's perfect. That sauce is not too spicy. And here it is, our delicious creamy mushroom chicken with some basmati rice and some fresh green beans. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you again next time. Bye.